Hemi-44 gang. Hemi Texas. Stand up, let go. Blue gang don't stop. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ride hard, dodge the car. Yes, sir. Blue flame don't stop. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ride hard, dodge the car. Yes, sir. Yeah. Hemi like ride. Yeah. Hemi like Hemi like
Hemi44. Like, comment, subscribe. Yes. Yes, sir. Hey, yo, before we get into this video, I need y'all to listen up real good and real close to me, man. Me and Hemiwife, me and my wife are filming a movie. Yeah, I'm gonna say it like that for right now. We filming a movie, man. We linked up with a dope production company, and they wanted to work with us. The production company is it's a rather smaller production company that's trying to get they feet wet, you know what I mean? But they a real good, you know what I mean? Real good company. Man, when y'all see the trailers, man, y'all see what I'm saying. But this is just one. I'm gonna show y'all a clip. This is just one of 8 trailers that I'll be showing y'all. And to get straight to the point, man, I heard a lot of people saying that they love to see young people winning. They love to see their brothers win. They love to help you know what I'm saying, support this business and that business. Okay, well, this is y'all opportunity. You know what I mean? Because obviously this is new to us. This is a new production company. It's not a movie company that has made no big crazy movie. They've done small short films and a few other projects, and they actually worked with A-list celebrities and other celebrities. So, you know what I mean? It's up and coming. But this is what we need from any real supporter or anybody that wants to help this movie be filmed. This film be filmed. We need y'all support. With that being said, there will be a link in my description of this video. If y'all want to donate to helping this movie be filmed, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can watch the trailer before you decide, you know what I'm saying? If you don't like it, it is what it is. But for those that really want to help, you know what I'm saying, and help us do this, it'll be greatly appreciated, man. You can donate from $1 to $1 million. Like, we ain't asking for no million. I'm just saying, if people out there were $1 million, it's pocket change. If one of y'all is my supporter, you understand me, and you want to donate that, we ain't gonna turn it down, is what I'm saying. So you can donate from $1 to $1 million. Just think, I don't think it'll hurt nobody to donate $1. So if everybody at least did $1, $5, $10, man, you know what I mean, that'll help. You know what I'm saying? But we definitely trying to bring y'all this film. So we would appreciate it if y'all did. Now of course we putting money into it. You know what I'm saying? Of course we putting our own stuff into it. They putting their stuff into it. But obviously that's still not enough. So we just need a little bit of support from our supporters, you know what I mean? And yeah, that's pretty much all we ask for. We're not asking for no, hey, everybody give $100. You know what I'm saying? We ain't asking for that. Just whoever can give $1. Just know if everybody gave $1, bro, that would help out a lot. If everybody gave $1, you know what I mean? But if you could do more than $1, that would be great. You know what I mean? But I'm not gonna hold y'all that much longer, man. I just had to let y'all know that. I'm gonna let y'all get right into this trailer. I don't know what trailer I'm gonna put behind this because of the music. I had to go back and change some copyright stuff, so I don't know what trailer I'm gonna give y'all right now, but we got 8 of these joints, you understand me? So y'all just know we got more trailers coming. So yeah, man, and the movie is gonna be dope. So y'all help out, man. Y'all help out. Y'all rock with your boy, help out, man. Y'all rock with Hemiwife, help out, man. You understand me? But let's get right into it. Right after this trailer, man, we're going right into the video. So I appreciate y'all, man. Let's get it, yes, sir.
It was more like she just told me the idea that Charles and y'all had, and I liked it. And when she presented it to me, I don't think I went against it or either had to think about it. if I remember straight. I don't think she had to convince me. It sounded like the thing to do because that's where I'm at now in life. I'm trying to definitely elevate and do other things that I wouldn't have done before, kind of branch out. And I'm actually glad I did tell her let's do it because, like I said, I enjoyed it.
With another video, man. If you're new to the channel, man, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and browse. We're going up out 2021. Make sure y'all hit that like button right now, bro. Y'all hadn't hit that like button. Hit that like button, man. But today, man, as y'all see, we got a couple of the whips out here. Got me right here. Got my bro D. We got Benny right here. You know what I'm saying? Me, Maroon Goon. Got my guy, I just met him, Chris right here. And I think that's his name. Bro, if that ain't your name, I forgive me, please. But we got my boy Will over there, man. Waiting on Will. He doing some stuff to his system. Show y'all some of these cars, though. We finna get ready to go hit this meet, man. SRT BREE and rail meet. You know what I'm saying? We finna go hit that meet. You know what I'm saying? See what it's talking about. But let me show y'all a couple of these cars right quick. That's scatty, man. That thing tough. Got my boy right here, Benny, in his maroon thing. Maroon Goon, you understand me? The Maroon Goon, you understand me? Yes, sir, of course I'm looking beautiful, as always, as usual. You know what I'm saying? This more here hard, too. This more hard too, for real. Yes, sir. What up, brother? You all right? Yes, sir. Come on, nice. $392 thing. This more hard too. You gotta peep everything. Peep the orange on there. You know what I'm saying? Peep the orange trim on her, all the way through. I still ain't got these lights, bro. I need to go and get them. I'm tripping. I need to go and get them lights, bro. I still ain't got them. He back there. Yes, sir. That boy got that bang bang. You understand me? That mother be slapping. I'm talking about that mother be banging banging. Score audio, bro. It be banging. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Boy, got that mud slapping. Got that mud slapping. Yeah, I bet he ain't got it up. Say, bro, black look real good, bro. It's just hard to keep clean, man. That's the only thing about black. It's just hard to keep clean, but that must look good though. When it's clean, when it's new, bro, it look good. So y'all follow bro, man. Blackjack_392. Y'all follow him on IG. Y'all follow my bro right here. He ain't got his IG. I forgot his IG by heart. I know his check is Blue Devil something. Y'all just type up Blue Devil, bro. He'll pop up. You know what I'm saying? That nigga wrapped it himself. Oh, yeah. Whole car. You know, he done. That's my first time seeing it in person. brother. You did your thing on that. You did your thing on that, bro. That more nice. Yeah, that more came out nice. Bro, he rapped this himself, bro. Y'all, hey, man. Hellcat KD, man. He do it all, bro. That nigga do it all. My bad. I see a nigga. My bad. My boy do it all, man. Do it all. This who, if y'all didn't know, this who do my lights. This who do all the body work. You know what I'm saying? All the kits and all that. Put the lights on. He did this whole rap himself, bro. He do the star lights in the ceiling. He do all that, bro. That's impressive, bro. It look good too. Bro, that's like a professional rap, bro. That was his first time. Bro. For real. He be doing his thing. Yeah. That's crazy. I like it though. I like it. Yes, sir. We finna get ready to ride out though, man. Yes, sir. We got the gang out here, leather on the chair. Ain't nobody flossing like this, I swear. President's tent, bang in the trunk. You understand me? We finna ride out though. Police that came and shut this down. What's up with it? Police that came and shut. Look, they done came and shut us down, bro. I ain't got time. I can't do it. Hey, DeMarcus, where y'all finna go?
They got one time to say something else.
They say that's why they coming over here.
They said we couldn't go over there because that was Lowe's parking lot. This is where we supposed to be at from the start. So I don't know, bro.
Bro, it's thick out here though.
They want to smoke.
But the hey, I don't want no smoke with them. Bro, let me park. Let me park, man. Hey, I'm about to park, bro. I don't know what they finna tell him. All right. I don't know. I don't even know. They said we couldn't come over here, but they ain't said nothing. Yeah, they shut that down though. When I hear that meet there the last time, they messed all it up. For real.
They leaving now, bro.
Huh?
They leaving.
The loud.
Look, they leaving.
Hold on, I'm somebody.
They don't got one name for you.
Hello?
You gonna worry about?
Man,
Look,
you
they leaving.
better hurry up. Hey, what happened? What happened? You say what? Ah, man, they finna hit us with trespass. I can't do it, bro. Hello?
You see the laws, bro?
Bro, I can't do it. That's why I was just about to...
Nigga, fuck that, nigga.
Yeah, I'm finna go the long way home, nigga. Like,
Fuck that shit, bro. Like,
yeah.
y'all niggas keep playing when a nigga done said it twice, shit.
Yeah, for real.
And then
man.
when we was leaving, did you see it was like 3 of them going headed that way?
Right.
Yeah, nah, fuck that, nigga. I got it.
Nah, for real. I can't do it. Hey, this the Morgan guy. This the Morgan guy.
All right,
All right.
Alright.
Hello?
Yeah, to the house.
Bro, yeah, I am now. Hey, did you see when we...
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, I can't do it.
What happened?
Nah, I'm saying, did you see all them laws right there?
Oh yeah. I just saw that shit. Yeah, I'm out of here. I'm going to the crib too. I'm right behind you.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't do that, nigga. I'm taking a long way home too. This ain't the way I go home.
Still, but shit, you probably ain't know it's me. I took my damn rap out.
Nah, I didn't, bro. I seen a black scat behind me, but I thought there was somebody else. Yeah.
Alright, bro.
Alright. Bro, y'all finna get to hear all these conversations. Hey, yo.
Yeah.
Man, I'm on my way to the house, boy.
Taste drive.
Huh?
Taste drive.
You say what?
Taste drive.
Yup. Too many, bro. The loud said, what the loud said is trespassing. They said once, there was 2 louds there. Then they said once the other louds show up, they gonna start hitting people for trespassing. So when we were leaving, bro, it was 4 louds finna come in that parking lot. Hey, I'm gonna hit you back, Rob. Hey, bro, listen. When the louds tell me one time is trespassing, nope. I ain't doing nothing with them louds, bro. Nothing. I ain't got time to be fooling with them at all. I got a reason why I live. I can't play with them louds at all. Like, so that one was enough for me. You know what I'm saying? They shut that whole thing down before we pulled up. That meeting shit down. You know what I'm saying? So that's crazy. That's why I say, bro, they ain't playing with the car scene, bro. They trying to stop all this. I'm talking about they trying to stop all this, bro. They not playing with this car scene. I'm holding my camera. I got a whole holder over here. I'm so wrapped up in my mind trying to get away from the little area, especially after seeing them loud. And what was crazy, I had my headlights on different colors, but they was at the light, so they couldn't hit no U-turn because they was behind a few of us. But they was definitely coming, bro. It was four of them over there. Like, and it was already 2 at the scene, like 2 over there already. Like, nah, I can't do it, man. But yeah, that definitely got shit down. That definitely got shit down. I can't, was that me? But shout out to everybody that I met or everybody that I seen or whoever I didn't get to speak to, or you know what I'm saying? I apologize about that, but I don't allow say something one time, especially in my situation. I don't play with the loud, bro. If I give them any reason, bro, to do anything with my name, bro, I'm going to jail. I can't go to jail on the weekend. I can't go on the weekend. I gotta be able to, you understand me? I gotta be able to get out next day. I can't go on a Saturday. I gotta play the drums tomorrow morning. I can't do that. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, but that meat got shit down, brother. So it's gonna be a wrap for this one, man. I appreciate y'all watching. But make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe, and bro. We're going to buy 2020.